Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing this right here. So I'm assuming if you're watching this, most likely you got one online, you're not 100% sure if it's legit or not. Well, this one I bought straight from the Apple Store. So I went to the Apple Store, I got it, that's how the box looks like. That's just the price tag right here. It's like this because I sprayed some alcohol on it. But anyways, there's nothing here. And then right down here below, you're going to see all this stuff. Okay, and then inside the box, which is the most important part, we just open this up. You're gonna see the charger like so. So how do you know which charger to get? Well, I do have a video that shows you exactly what chargers are for what, but most of them are compatible with everything. Some chargers are just not as powerful as others, but they will still charge your iPad, for example. So this one right here is compatible with iPads. This will also charge your iPhone and watch. So it does them all. This one just charges them a little bit faster since this is made for iPads technically. So on the Apple website, you guys can actually see what this is compatible with. And this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna do a close-up. Alright, so for some reason, this is the closest I can get to this so you guys can see the details and make sure what you're getting is actually legit. And on the other side, it's nothing. Again, this is for USB-C. So most of you want this because you got an Apple Watch or an iPad. Others are getting it because you got an iPhone. But this is in fact compatible with all of them. So again, this is your standard charger that does not come with your iPhones or your Apple Watch. However, this charger does come with your iPad. So this would be the exact same one that you got with the iPad if you ever had an iPad. But anyways, as far as this video goes, that would be it. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.